Hey, Lysandra Everett here from www.workwithlysandra.com, and this is a training video for the affiliates on my team. So one of the most powerful ways to bring people into your business is with social proof posts. And what a social proof post is you are showing where someone else is experiencing success in your business. And what this does for other people is let them know that it's not just you making money, it's all these other people that are making money or achieving whatever success in your business. So while I'm showing this for DS Domination, you can use this technique with any business. It'll work. Okay, so first I've gone to our group, to the unit of prosperity, and people are sharing their successes all over the place. Now I use Jing to get my screen captures. Okay, your computer might have one already, but if you don't, you can go Google Jing screen capture software, something like that, download it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot of this, for instance, and capture that. Okay, so I'll say Missy Harris first sale. Okay, and so I'll save that on my desktop for now. I have a file for these. I keep up with all of them so you can actually go back and use them later. Okay, now I'm going to go to PowerPoint, and you're just going to open up a blank document and remove the text boxes that are already there. First, you're going to insert the picture, and it was on my desktop, and here it is right here. Okay, now what you want to do is make sure you block out any important information, like when you're doing these. And sorry Missy, I got you totally out here, but this is just my example. So first I'm going to insert a text box, and I'm sorry you can't see that part right now. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a text box because I want to block out her name. Well, actually I'm going to do a couple things here. So first we're going to put my website in here. I'll put the 8. Okay, come on. www.workwithlysandra.com. Now, so one of the first things I'm going to tell you is that if you don't have your own domain, you totally need to get one from GoDaddy. If you are on my team, connect with me and I will help you with a coupon code to get your domain a little bit cheaper. Now, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this over here, and we're going to, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to change the fill. So I'm going to format the shape. I'm going to change the fill to a solid fill, and I'm going to make that white. And you can play with these colors. These are just things that I do for my social posts. Okay, so what I've done is kind of twofold. I've put my website on here, and I've blocked out her name. Now I'm also going to do her another favor and insert another text box to cover what the product is that she sold. You really, when you're doing your own post to the group, if you sold something great, made a really great profit, you want to block out what you sold, because other people will go and try and and undercut you and all that stuff. I mean, and that's just the nature of the business. Okay, you can't really stop that. Okay, so there we go. And so then what I do is take another screen capture, and well, actually I can make that a little bit smaller, right? Okay, so I take another screen capture, and there you go. So let's see, first sale. All right. So there you go. That's it. That's how you create a social proof post. And so like I said, you want to keep track of all of these, and so you can use them over and over again, because The one thing that you need to realize is when you're posting on Facebook, what you see on your wall is not what people see on their news feed. So just like when you're watching TV and you see the same commercial over and over again, um, advertisers don't think about whether or not you've seen this commercial before or not. They're just playing it as much as possible so they can get as much exposure as possible. Same thing with social proof posts. So that's how you do it. And if you're on my team, go to my wall. You'll see plenty of social proof posts there. Check them out, look at the language I'm using, and mirror that. And you want to do this as often as possible. If you're on my team, I'm going to let you know exactly the formula I use. But for everybody else doing a social proof post, essentially, this is the easiest way to do it. And if you do it often enough and you get enough exposure, you will bring people into your business, you will generate interest about your business, and you will sign up team members. Okay, so let me know if this helps you out. I'd love to know how it's working for you. And oh, by the way, no, this is not microwave stuff, okay? It takes time, effort, and energy. So don't, send me a message after two posts and say it doesn't work, okay? All right, so that's it. That's how you do, how you create a social proof post. Use them on Facebook. You can use them on Instagram. Images like this, you can use them anywhere you can use images. You can use this right here, okay? So I hope this helps you out. Again, this is Lysandra Everett with www.workwithlysandra.com. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.